Hi, my name is Nur Ahmad Abdul Rahim, and I will intro about our project, water leakage. So, water is colorless, odorless, and tasteless substance that is essential to our life. And water is mostly live in our planet by precipitation, evaporation, and runoff back to the sea. Water will fill every container that have a fixed shape, so that in our project we will continue about the leakage in our certain elevation. So the objective for our project is to obtain a solution or to solve to prevent the leakage, and so that we have to apply triple integration in order to find the volume of a water leakage, and then the third one to find the rate of inflow water by plotting the graph.
My name is Muhammad Izzah Aziz bin Muhammad Azan. So I will explain and present the problem statement that we discussed. So we discuss about we put the water into the septic tank, so the water rise rapidly but it rise slowly after reaching that elevation. This means the septic tank have a leakage in certain elevation, because the water rise rapidly in a certain elevation and slowly after reach certain elevation. So in this case we fail to visual the inspection because the septic tank is too large. This is the example for leakage tank for T5 based on this table. We integrate this equation and become 0. So based on the table,
Assalamualaikum and good morning. So I will continue to elaborate the failure table on our projects. So the first facts is the water flow to the user are through the water tank, either directly or indirectly. The idea is the water supply channel to user disconnected due to leakage. So our learning issue is what is the solution for the disconnected to water supply. Our action is by learning the subject of civil engineering. There are several types of tanks used to ensure the sustainability of water to user. Second fact is the water flow rate of the tank are independent on the radius and the height of the water tank. The idea is the water from the storage tank is flow slowly to the user. So, how to make water flow faster? So, our action is by searching from the internet. Several steps can be used to solve these problems. The third fact is the volume of water in water tank are found by using triple integral. We can obtain the volume of water in water vat by using cylindrical coordinate method. The second is we can determine the volume of water using the water level at a certain time. Learning issue is which type of triple integral is suitable to be used to calculate the volume of water in water vat. So our action is conduct a group discussion to carry out which the most suitable method to choose. Our fourth fact is the shape of water tank, radius and height are determined in order to calculate volume of water. The idea is we can identify the rate of outflow by plotting graph and determining the gradient. Learning issue is what is the volume of the water in water tank at a different times. Action by measuring the radius and height of water level in water tank. Last facts is graphical representation are used to find the rate of outflow. The idea is the gradient of graph of volume versus time is equal to rate of outflow. Learning issue is how to obtain the gradient of the graph. Our action is a graph of volume against time are plotted to obtain the gradient. The rate of inflow into the water vat that has leakage problem is used to compare with the ideal inflow. Thank you.
In a conclusion, we know how to solve the application of the triple integral and the rate of change. By learning the subject of civil engineering, there were several types of tanks that need to use to ensure the sustainability of water for user. This project took us about a month to complete our project. So starting from our first discussion until we have chose the situation of loss of water supply due to leakage will affect the shortage of water for the user, and until the video making of the experiment. By refer to the notes of Engineering Mathematics 3 and some web page. Therefore, we have discovered the issue is to find the volume of water in the water supply tank is bounded by parabola z equal to -0.4 plus 0 and above xy plane, as well as the flow rate of water into the water supply tank, and successfully indicate whether inflow rate is ideal or not. In this project, we have found out how to work to solve the leakage problem. So it can be concluded if the amount of water is so high, we fail to detect leakage with visual imperfections. Therefore, there are corrective measures that can be used to solve the problem. In addition, we have used triple integral solutions to find the amount of water available in the water tank. Furthermore, the volume obtained from the calculation can be used to compare the amount of water that had the leakage problem. In addition, we were done planning the graph of volume versus time to obtain the gradient. The rate of inflow into the water tank that has leakage problem is used to compare with the ideal inflow. Throughout the while period, we have experienced the importance of good cooperation between each other and the management, because student has a lot of work at the end of the semester. Other than that, the delegation of tank to the right person also make our project go smooth without any major obstacle. Last of all, we also improve our creativity and problem solving skills during making the report and video. This plays as an important role as the report and video, and to be clear in explaining every details of the project, so that the models and audience can understand easily. Without the guidance from the lecturer, the project will face a lot more challenge and take a